Hi.
Hi, how can I help you?
Can I get a grande frappuccino, no ice, extra cream, and an almond croissant?
Sure. That'll be $6.25. How would you like to pay?
Contactless, please.
No problem, my friends. Here you go.
What do you want me to do? Don't you have one of those big card machine things?
Please, tap here. It's a new way to pay.
Wow, did you see that? Is that the new payphone?
Yeah, my dad used one for his work. It's a smartphone and a payment acceptor.
Wow, so cool!
Yeah.
POS terminal and smartphone combined. No problem. See you then. Bye. Simple.